our newest arrival is perfect for the kind of weather we're experiencing in Port Macquarie today. This awesome 2021 Ram 2500 in the 6.7 turbo diesel, the Cummins diesel. It is unreal. This American powerhouse pickup is just unbeatable. With this one has a 2-inch lift with upgraded suspension, the Kings and Fox springs. It has the flares on the side there as well. Ram side steps, you've got the tonneau cover on the back, and of course 4-wheel drive, automatic, and it is the Laramie. Jumping up, so 2021, it has done 44,000 kilometers. All the bells and whistles that you know and love. It's got the column shift automatic. It has done 44,000 careful kilometers. It has this massive touchscreen here, heated and cooling seats, heated steering wheel, climate controlled air. You've got the camera up the rear here, and it's got park sense. So even though it is a huge truck, it has this amazing technology which will really help with the parking in the 360-degree camera and reverse camera as well. This one is also the 6-seater, so this folds up here to have an extra seat, which is awesome. It's got the lovely wood grain features, full leather interior, really well maintained, and just an awesome truck. This beauty can also tow up to 8 tons. It is unreal, the power and the combination that this pickup truck has. It's got the electronic drop-down tailgate, heaps of room in the rear there with this tonneau cover up the top. It's got lighting on the inside of the tub as well. As I said, it's got all the cameras, it's got the tow bar, and it's stunning in this diamond black. Not that you can see it in current weather, but it's diamond black in color and just stunning. You can view it on our website at cwg.net.au or phone us on 6581 2881 for a personalised viewing of this vehicle. It is a 2021 Ram 2500 Laramie, done 44,000 kilometres, and just in outstanding condition. We'd love to show it to you. Come and see us at Country Wholesale Group.